Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing guys how you can resize like your video ratio on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use another video actually. I have this video right here, and I'm going to change the ratio of it. So press the button here, and here's where you can change the ratio of your video. So you have 16 by 9, 4 by 3. I don't know what this is, 2 by 1, and etc. etc. And I'm just going to select this one for instance. And you can also customize the size here. So it's 180 by 180. Yeah, you can change the ratio here and then also the size of the resolution. And then to actually scale the video, to resize it, just press on the video and press the scale button to resize the video. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!